Hey guys, Sharron here. So today I wanted to do a vegan food haul, and everything I got here is from Aldi. I love that place. It's really cheap and affordable, but it's really good if you are vegan. They have a lot of really cool stuff there. So let me just start here. I got me some refried beans that I'm going to use in some wraps and on some for some like nachos or tortillas. I got me some almond non-dairy creamer. This is caramel flavored, which is really good. I've already used their vanilla version and I like that one, but this one I haven't tasted yet, so it should be good though. I got me some oatmeal, some peach raspberry. I normally do not buy instant oatmeal. I'm old school, so I like old-fashioned, but this is a cool flavor that I want to try. I got me some graham cracker, honey flavored, just in case I want something sweet. I got me some bananas over there, and then, sorry about my camera thing, I got me some green pea crisps. Now this I have never had, but sometimes I want something crunchy, and look at that, gluten-free, low sodium. Hopefully it tastes good though. 50% less fat than potato chips, which, you know, I like chips and all, but it has way too much trash in it for me because I get sick easily. But this one hopefully is good. I'll let you guys know. This is by Simply Nature. This I have had at Aldi before. This is really good. Same company, Simply Nature, but sweet potato chips, and these I like a whole lot. So those are good if I want to snack on something. Also, they have zesty Italian meatless meatballs. These are the bomb. I love these. These are made with soy protein, onion, garlic, basil, and herbs. I use this all the time. Sometimes we'll do like subs, or we'll use it for spaghetti. I just like it. You know, this is a really cool company. They also have these chickenless patties that I like a whole lot. We'll normally do like sweet potato fries, and but we will bake these in the oven because they'll come out really good. And honestly, y'all, my kids can't tell the difference between this and a regular chicken patty. So I like this one a whole lot, and I also put it in wraps, which is why I got this over here. And this is my favorite go-to. I love spinach, so I typically get this wrap over the regular one. But Aldi's pretty cool. They have other, you know, like they have the plain one, and they have like a tomato basil one. But I typically buy this one right here. It's one of my favorite. I also got avocados. Now with Aldi, they're cheap there, so I'll tend to get at least 4 of them, maybe 5 at the most, because they don't use chemicals. Well, no, of course they do. They don't do a lot of, like, I guess preservatives a lot on their food. I forget like what it is with Aldi. Either way, all I know is this: their fruit and their veggies go bad fast, so you want to eat them. So I usually don't get more than that because it takes me a while to eat them if I'm eating it by myself. You know, if my whole family was eating this up, then yeah, I would get more, but it's just me, so I don't get too many because I don't want them to spoil. I've got some diced tomatoes with green chiles. I like this a whole lot. This I will use pretty much on anything I feel like, you know, sandwiches and wraps and salads. John and I will do pasta. So, and then y'all, I got this. I was on a different side of town today by my brother's house, and I went to their Aldi, and they had meatless jumbo hot dogs. I'm really looking forward to this one. I hope it's good. I hope it's not nasty. It looks like it's good, and look in the back. I actually looked at it, I'm like, okay, this actually looks like a real hot dog. So I'm gonna try it. Now I know you guys are gonna be like, man, you got a lot of, sorry about my little fall leaf. Yes, I did. I have a lot of things in packages. We normally cook fresh, so this is really for stuff when I don't feel like making something fresh. So, you know, if I want to snack on something, usually a lot of the stuff that we do is homemade patties and all that type of stuff, but let's just be honest, I'm not going to do that all the time. So that's pretty much it. That is my vegan food haul. This is my first video, yay! And I will be back with more because I'm going to try to go to different stores. Okay guys, I will see you later. Thank you for stopping at Cooking and Kicking. Bye.